browser you'd rather not use, this guide is for you. So let's dive right in and set Slack to open those links in Google Chrome, making your browsing smoother and more efficient. First, let's head over to the Slack desktop app. If you haven't opened it yet, go ahead and launch Slack. Once you're in, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you should see your profile picture. Give it a click to reveal a drop-down menu. Navigate to Preferences. Inside there, look for the Advanced tab. This is where you can control various Slack settings. Now, under the section labeled Other Options, you'll find the setting we're interested in. When opening links, use. Here, ensure that it's set to your default browser. It's important to note that Slack doesn't allow you to pick Chrome directly. Instead, it opens links using whatever browser your computer currently has set as the default. So, let's make sure that browser is Chrome. Next, let's set Chrome as your default browser on your device. If you're using a Windows 11 or 10 computer, head over to Settings, then navigate to Apps, and from there go to Default Apps. Scroll through the list until you find Google Chrome. Click on it, and make sure that it's set as the default for handling both HTTP and HTTPS links. Once that's done, you can go ahead and close the settings window. For those on Mac OS, pop open System Settings and make your way to Desktop and Dock. Scroll until you find the default web browser option and select Google Chrome from the list. This will set Chrome to handle all your internet link needs on your Mac. If you're working from an iPhone or iPad, the steps are slightly different. Open Settings, scroll to Chrome, and tap on it. You should see an option that says Default Browser App. Go ahead and select Chrome, and just like on a computer, this will ensure any link clicked will open in Google Chrome. Now, for our Android users, you'll want to open Settings, head to Apps, and look for Default Apps. Inside, tap on Browser App and select Chrome. This will set it as your go-to browser for all things internet. Finally, let's take a moment to test if everything is set up correctly. Head back to your Slack app. Whether it's a channel or a direct message, find a link and click it. If you followed along, that link should now pop right open in Google Chrome, and there you have it, a simple, effective way to ensure all links from Slack open in Chrome, making your digital experience a little bit better. Enjoy your browsing.